Vanakkam friends, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to discuss forecast of Nifty for next week, that is expiry week. What I would like to say is it's monthly expiry week. So before going into our analysis, couple of requests from my side. Viewers who are listening to our video for the first time, please do listen it fully, and if you find it helpful, please send it across to your friends or relatives who are interested in markets. At the same time, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon's notification icon next to it so that you will get alerts as and when I post new video. Apart from that, after going through this video, please do post your comments, likes or dislikes or feedbacks, whatsoever it is, in the comment section, so that it will help me to improve the quality of the video further. And one more stuff, we have Telegram channel and Telegram groups as well. All the links has been posted in the description of this video. Feel free to join over there and be part of our Telegram channel to have live updates of markets. And there is a separate group called queries group where you can post your queries. I'll be answering all those queries as and when I feel I have some time. Now we will move on to the analysis for next week. For this, I have opened Nifty charts on daily time frame as usual, and I am maintaining the rising trend line which we have drawn earlier, and then the two levels, support and resistance levels, which we have marked earlier. Now I have added one more support zone which is next support to the earlier support. Our earlier support was 18,667, and I have drawn another horizontal line. What is the next support zone for Nifty, if at all, if it is not able to hold the current supports? And also I have added 20 moving average in place, where we can see Nifty exactly closing at 20 moving average on Friday. Out of the 5 days, 3 days we have tried to get past the earlier highs of 18,887.60, but we were not able to do it. On Monday we punched a high of 18,881.45. On Wednesday, we punched a high of 18,875.90, and on Thursday, we punched a high of 18,886.60. So, one thing is very clear, Nifty is not in a mood to take out the all-time high gradually. It must be taken out with the strong gap up opening. That is very much clear and evident. So now, if you ask me what are the supports, the earlier support which we have mentioned is 18,667, and we are exactly at that zone right now. In just 2 days time, we have dropped nearly 250 points in Nifty and closed exactly at the 20 moving average as well as the support zone. Even though this trend line is broken on the downside, if this is going to be a false breakdown, for sure we will bounce back again. But confirmation of this breakdown will come only on Monday. Why I am saying on Monday means, if it is closing below this 20 moving average again on Monday, then the short term uptrend will be in pause. We will visit the next support zone of 18,462 and then only we will be able to climb up. But as of now we are looking in a positive manner. Why? Because it is a 5-week series. I don't know how many of you people are remembering it. Whenever we have 5-week series, that complete month will be extremely volatile, and the expiry week, last week, will be a trending week. One-sided move will be seen over there. And to add on to this point, we have only 3 days in this expiry week. Wednesday is a holiday, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, out of which Tuesday we have Fin Nifty expiry and Thursday we have Nifty and Bank Nifty expiries. So the movements will be very, very sharp. And another one more point is, after a long consolidation post the quarterly results, HDFC Bank and HDFC are trying to participate on the higher side. On Thursday as well as on Friday, in fact, only these both have managed to protect the bigger fall in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Because if these two fell, has dropped by maybe another 1%, for sure we will be surrounding, hovering around 18,400 mark or 18,500 mark. But that hasn't happened. And in my opinion, in my observation during the last couple of years, I have seen HDFC Bank participating on the last week of expiry in one-way directions, either on the upside or on the downside. But if that is going to replicate again, definitely a reversal is on the cards. But we are not sure whether this will come up or not. Everybody says that a couple of banks in Europe and UK have raised their interest rates. That has become the reason for the fall. There's that kind of stuff. But I wouldn't say that. Why? Because when our markets and when our RBI and US Fed are continuously keeping on increasing the interest rates, these banks have never raised interest rates. They had a pause during that time. So now these banks are starting to increase. We are having a pause. That's it. There is no big difference at all. So that is not a big reason at all. Maybe people are finding some reasons to justify this fall, but that's not the case. So if you ask me what kind of trade can you take based on this chart setup or this analysis, I can give you one trade with a stop loss which you need to follow. That is buy 18,800 call as hero or zero trade, or buy a 700 put call. Let me repeat it once again, I got confused. Buy a 18,800 call as hero or zero for this expiry, or 18,700 call for this expiry, and have a stop loss on spot Nifty closing below 18,660. If spot Nifty closes below 18,660 either on Monday or on Tuesday, you need to exit your position, or else you can hold your positions. Why? Because 18,700 call will become in the money once it moves above 18,700. So that's the reason I'm suggesting you. Hardly your stop loss will be somewhere, 35 to 40 points, I believe, as of now. No, it's not even 35 to 40 points, 15 20 points. That's the stuff. Let me see where we are right now in 18,000 C. 18,700. Yeah, 18,700 call. Last traded price was 79.90, somewhere around 80. We are expecting a flat opening on Monday based on the SGX stuff. So if you get it somewhere between 60 to 65, you can take this trade and maintain a stop loss of 18,660 in spot Nifty closing basis. If that closes below that, you need to exit, or else you can hold on to your position. Right? To just give you an example how the last week of expiry trades will be, I can give you one example. Look at this 31st March candle. I'm sure that people would be remembering it. Why? Because I have clearly reiterated during that month, Nifty has never fell down for 4 continuous months. That was the stuff. Because from December to Jan we have fell down. We had a red close. From Jan to Feb we had a red close, and Feb to March we had a red close. From March to April, I was suggesting that definitely we will have a green close month on basis, and one day before, that is 30th, was a holiday. I think it was Mahavir Jayanti kind of stuff, so it was a holiday. We have closed on closed at 17,080 on Wednesday during that time, and on on Tuesday. But on Thursday we fired like anything, and it was almost a 300 point move. Look at the close to close basis, 17,080 and 17,359, almost 280 points up move on the last working day, that too on expiry day. If you have doubts, you may see the calendar over here. 31st of March. This is how Nifty will react during 5-week series. So I have given this as an example. We can't say that Nifty will definitely go 300 points in this series also in last day, but I assume that this is a false breakdown and trying to give a call on the upside. If you are comfortable with it, you can trade, or else you may ignore that call and hold on for the live calls in our Telegram channel. That's all we have for this week. Have a good day. See you all in next week. Bye for now.